Hello friends, today we will see how to make a snack. It is prepared during festivals also. It's a savory item. It is called ribbon pakoda. So we will see what are all the items required for this. Here I have besan flour, and here I have rice flour, chili powder, and here I have butter, hing, salt, and little bit of water, and I have the ribbon pakoda presser here. And this is the thing we'll be using to make the ribbon pakoda. Now I'll switch on the gas with oil in it. Keep it in a medium flame, so by the time the oil becomes hot we can make the batter. So now we will add the besan flour to a bowl. Here I have taken 2 cups of besan flour. So for that we will add 1 cup of rice flour, and then we will add the red chili powder, and this is depending upon your spiciness you can add. And then you will add the salt, followed by the hing. We'll start mixing this now. We'll add water little by little, and then we have to make a smooth batter in smooth dough. So now we will add this butter also to the mixture, and then we will mix it nicely. So from the oil that we kept for frying, from that we will add 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil, and then we will mix it again. So now I have fixed the attachment. We will start putting the dough into the maker. And we will also see whether the oil is hot enough for frying. So I am just putting a small ball, so you can see the bubbles coming up, so it shows that the oil is hot enough for frying. So we will start making the ribbon pakoda. So we have to start from the sides first, and then we have to go into the middle. So don't put too much of the dough that you have prepared, otherwise it will not cook properly. Now you can see there are lots of bubbles. Once the bubbles slows down, that is the time the ribbon pakoda is ready. So let it cook on one side first, and then we will turn it out and cook on the other side also. And always keep the remaining batter covered, otherwise the dough will become dry, and it will be hard for us to make the ribbon pakoda. So please cover the remaining dough and keep it in one side. So as you can see, the bubbles have come down. So now we will turn this down and cook it on the other side also. Let it cook on the other side also, and when the bubble slows down we can take it out. So as you can see, the bubbles have come down, so it is cooked on both the sides. So we will remove this, we will drain the oil, and we will remove this to a plate, and we will allow it to cool down for some time, and then we can break it into pieces. So it's cooled down now, so now we will break it into small pieces like this, and you can store it in an airtight container. It comes more than a month depending upon the quantity that you have prepared, and you can have it during your evening snacks with a cup of coffee or tea. So if you like this recipe, please like and subscribe to my channel for more new recipes. Thank you.